Hello guys, my name is Astus and in this video we will discuss about road accident. How we can make our roads safer. What are the impacts and reason of road accident and how we can deal with such problem. Out of all the vehicle present in our world, 1% of vehicle is in India and all out of all the road accident occurred in world 11% occurs in India. And according to World Bank, if we read World Bank data, then World Bank says that poverty for more than 75% poor family is road accident. Means due to the road accident 75% of people who are poor suffers. Okay, and due to the road accident poor have to incur 7 months of wage loss. Means if any poor accident, then they have to suffer 7 months of their income on their medicine you. And if any rich suffer, means if the road accident happens to rich, then they have to bear only 1 month of their income. And World Bank also releases the traffic crash injuries and disabilities, the burden on in Indian society. The title of the report is Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, the Burden on Indian Society. This report take up the data of four states: UP, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. And the main reason behind such road accident is not wearing of helmets. Two wheeler and cyclists don't wear helmet, and if they wear, then they wear cheap substandard quality of helmets which they can purchase from roadside. And main reason for not purchasing authorized and good quality helmet is of course cost. And if any person died in car, the main reason found that they have not wear the seat belt, they have not tied the seat belt. And also Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 is passed. It is very good act, but their enforcement is not up to the mark. So it have to be tightened. And fourth one is license. We know that if you pay some money to the officer in road department, RTO office, then you can easily avail the license. So license system, distributing license should be fair, transparent. And also we know that if you go to the RTO office and seek license, then you have to pass certain test. The standard of test is not up to the mark, so it has to improve also. Now we will study what is the impact of road accident. Impact, as I already told you, poor suffers the most on their wages, loss of wages. Okay, and we have neglected the idea that the housewife, children also suffers. If any head of the family, if any income earner die in a road accident or lost their any body part, then who suffers the most? Of course the person who die and who lost their body part is suffered, but also their housewife also suffer. The the future of the children, future of their children is also suffers. Their future is go into darkness. And some report also says that more than 10,000 children die every year due to the road accident. Okay, the report also shows that 90% of people who die due to the road accident are actually the people who sit outside the car. Means peddler, cyclist, two wheeler. 90% of people who are died like peddler, cyclist, two-wheeler, and 10% of people who will sit inside the car or bus. Now, what is the way forward? How can we tackle such problem? Keep in mind about the user of road, like labor, children, women, etc. Not just about the car. While developing any expressway and also while designing any plan for highway, we only think about the car, we only think about the how 2 lane, 4 lane, 6 lane, 8 lane, but we never thought about the poor people, labor who sleep at roadside at night. We have to think, we have to provide shelter for the poor so that they don't come to the roadside and sleep there. Okay, we have to think about the people, children, and we have to develop some park for them, okay, so that their incoming to the road is not so possible. And we have to develop footpath, we have to develop footpath for peddler, and also a separate lane for the cyclist. Convenience to peddler, as I already told to you, we have to develop footpath. Just like we, do you know that in Netherlands country there are more than, there are more number of cyclists than the person living in Netherlands. We we if we don't want to learn from other country, then we can also learn from our country example. Like in Tamil Nadu perform better. 20 Tamil Nadu reduced 25% of road accident. And what is the reason behind how they can reduce 25% of road accident? Actually, they digitized emergency care number. Okay, in every government website and portal and every place to place in hoarding, you can find the emergency care number. Means if any person accident in suffer accident in road, then you can dial that emergency care number, and within golden hour, within 1 hour accident, you can send this victim to the hospital, so you can save the life of people and also save the future of children which is present in the victim's house. Okay, we have to work on the 4 E's: engineering, education, enforcement, and emergency care. Okay, we have to develop such kind of roads, so which is peddler friendly, cyclist friendly, two-wheeler friendly. Also, we have to enforce Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 in true spirit. Okay, and emergency care numbers should be digitized all over the country. And we also, main point, important point is also is that road maintenance. We have to maintain those road which is used by vulnerable people. Means we have to identify those locations where children and where labor are most, so that we identify that place and we work on that place. We have to maintain that road, so that if any vehicle pass through that road, no will suffer due to the road. Okay, that's for today. Thank you.